Alright, just got off work. Took the car to work, did some pulls. But I just changed the oil on this thing, aired up the tires. So I think it's time for its first ride of 2022. Because I haven't taken it out yet. All I've done is start it, let it run for 5 minutes like a couple weeks ago, and then parked it. And then today I changed the oil and warmed it up. So now I think it's time for a ride. I just put gas in it. I'm just waiting for some batteries and a phone to charge so I have my GPS. And then I'm good to go. Alright, let's go for first ride. It's been a long while. Let her warm up for a second. Make sure the gas is on. Forget which way I vented this. Not like it really matters, but that way. So these gotta go this way. I haven't rode this thing in probably what? It's gotta be at least 8-9 months at this point, so see how she runs. It feels good. Still rips. Just changed the oil. So goes into neutral easily. Feels good. We'll wait to see how the very top end feels, but so far feels fine. These tracks suck. Make sure my phone don't fly out. Cruising's what usually bothers me with the carb, if it doesn't like cruise smoothly. But right now it feels fine, but I'm only going 36. Oh, of course, I just take off from a stop sign and power wheelie first, second, third for some people, and I wasn't recording, but felt good. I should pull over and make sure my brake light works at least. Oh, carb's loading up now. I should make sure my brake light works. The rear brake's adjusted right, so I'm gonna find a spot to pull over and just make sure it works, because last thing I need to do is not have a working brake light on this thing. We'll just check her right here, right? Oh, it works, but she is dim. The battery on this thing, I took it off the charger a couple nights ago, or like when I started it last couple weeks ago. So the battery is shot and it doesn't seem like it's charging it like it should. It might be time for a new battery again. I don't know, but the lights are very dim right now. The headlight's dim. The tail light doesn't even look like it's on until I hit the brakes. And then when I hit the brakes, it's still not as bright as it should be when it's like just normally on. So I'm gonna have to get the battery situation figured out here soon. I can't set off lights, I forgot, no matter how long I sit here, so this guy in front of me is gonna have to do it. She's ripping though. I mean, full throttle feels good. I haven't revved it all the way out, but so far full throttle feels good. Cruising in fifth, certain speeds seems like it's loading up a little bit, but I could fix that with a little needle adjustment, I think, probably. Now it's popping and stuttering. Not a big deal. Oh my god, it feels so good to ride though. This is the first time this year, and the first time since, I don't know, 9 months probably, that I've even sat on this thing. Feels good. So I'm gonna go find a back road. See how rusty my wheelie skills are right now. I mean, it's a little windy, but it's not too bad. At least in town. Out there it might be a little more windy. But I'm still gonna go find a place, rip a wheelie quick. Have to. I have to. Itching. But anyways, my helmet's just been sitting on top of my workbench in my garage since last summer. So I'm like super worried there's like a spider in my helmet or something, waiting to attack my face. So I gotta keep, oh, this thing's running like junk. Hear that? Sounds like a two-stroke. Can't have that. I can't tell if it's a rich pop or a lean pop cruising, but bad. Hopefully it doesn't do it during the wheelie. Alright, it's popping a little bit when I rev it up. Don't get it twisted though, the thing still rips, you know? Let's try a little one. I don't even know gear I'm in. 5th, 4th. See if I can even get a little one in. First wheelie right here. Oh, I let off the gas just a little too much, then it did that little pop thing and then set me down because it lost power. Just long enough to mess up the wheelie. Felt good though. I kind of want to put this thing on E85 and see if I can get a good tune on E85. I think that'd be sick. A little bit more power. Use up a little bit more gas, but whatever. Alright, I'm gonna head back the other way. Do another wheelie. Start heading toward home. RPMs to keep her going. Yeah, this carb's fucking with me. Usually if I let off the throttle I can, you know, hold the wheelie, but it's like, it's popping and cutting all my power as soon as I like let off to kind of coast it out. Oh, hear that? Jesus. It's terrible. Yeah, I can't let it go. I can't let off. That was 72. A little uphill. But yeah, I can't let off the throttle to coast the wheelie. It just instantly breaks up, cuts all my power, and then it sets it down because then I gotta like really get in the throttle. And then the RPMs get too high and I can't sit at a constant speed. That's okay though. A wheelie's a wheelie. I'll get the carb figured out eventually. Alright. Head back toward home. See if we can get a 5th gear going for the trucks. Buddy, 64 miles an hour, uphill. Truck coming, I don't want to be doing wheelies, coming at people. Too early in the year to be getting caught. But that 5th gear felt good once it got up. It seemed like it didn't stutter as much when I was letting out the throttle as it did in 4th, so I'll figure it out, but we hit 72 miles an hour so far, not even really ringing it out. See if I can get a new high speed this year too. I think like 84, 83 or something was so far my best I've ever got. But she windy today. Bell still works. It's windy, but I had to bust it out and do one wheelie. I haven't posted a video in months, and I've been itching to ride. I've been itching to ride anyways, so good to know. Maybe I'll swap some carbs and do that stuff again, because right now it's 73 out. It was 90s all week this week, hotter than hell, and then all next week after today it's back to like high 80s, low 90s for the next 2 weeks straight. Absolutely miserable. And then also my other channel, I'll try to link it in this. I'm gonna start just posting all my car stuff on that channel, because it seems like most people that are here for like the the CT70 stuff. Don't really care about the car stuff, but I do a lot of car stuff when I'm not doing the bike stuff. So maybe I'll just post everything on that channel so the car people can go there, the bike people can stay here. Seems like people don't really like both for some reason, so we'll try that up. I'm going to be posting on that channel too here throughout the summer with the Civic and I just took it to the dyno. Made 488 wheel horsepower with it on a stock K20 supercharged, so it's a ripper. That's why there was black marks in third and fourth on that road from a 40 to 120 pull. But yeah, I'll keep the stuff separate, it seems like. She popped out of gear there. Either way, first ride out of the way.